Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Sarah, you mentioned you would be busy tonight. What brought you here?
Well, I actually finished my work earlier than expected. So I decided to come by and surprise you.
That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you for making the effort.
You're welcome. It's your birthday, after all.
How about we celebrate properly? Can I treat you to dinner?
Dinner sounds wonderful. I would love that.
It shouldn't be too far now, right?
Actually, I think I forgot the address of the Italian restaurant.
Oh no, really?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It totally slipped my mind.
No worries. Let's just ask someone for directions.
Excuse me, ma'am. We are looking for an Italian restaurant around here. But we seem to have lost the address. Can you help us?
Sure thing. You are looking for Luigi's Trattoria. It's just a few blocks ahead. Take a left, and you will see it on your right.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your help.
Not a problem. Enjoy your meal.
Welcome to Trattoria. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. A table for two, under the name Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah. Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Of course. Follow me, please. Here is your table. Please have a seat. And your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you so much.
Hello? Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like the tomato soup, and then the steak, please.
I will have the goat's cheese salad. And the lasagna for me, please.
What would you like to drink?
Sarah, would you like some wine?
No thanks, just mineral water for me, please.
Okay. We will have a glass of red wine. And a bottle of mineral water, please.
Very well. I will get that for you right away.
Thanks, Roger. I prefer water tonight.
No problem. We will enjoy our meal either way.
How was the food?
It was delicious. Sarah, there is something I want to ask you.
Yes. What?
Well, tomorrow is my last day, and I think I really like meeting you. Do you want to come to London next month? There is a big conference. I'm going to be there. Why don't you come? What do you think?
I'm not sure, Roger. I need some time to think about it, okay?
All right. But please tell me before I go.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. How was your stay?
It was great, thank you. I would like to check out now, please.
Of course. Could I have your room number, please?
It's 305.
Thank you, Mr. Roger. It looks like you have a balance of $350 for your stay.
That sounds correct. I will settle that now.
Thank you, sir. If you ever return to our city, we hope to host you again.
I appreciate that. Have a good day. Hello.
Hi, Roger. I'm really sorry. But the traffic this morning is terrible. I'm going to be very late.
Okay.
I believe the best option is for you to take a taxi to the train station and then catch the train to the airport.
No problem. I will call a taxi. Well, thanks for everything.
No, listen. I will meet you at the airport. We can say goodbye there.
Great. Where can we meet?
At the information desk.
Okay. See you there. Bye. Excuse me. My plan has changed. Could you call me a taxi to the station, please?
Sure, sir.
Roger, I'm sorry. I'm late.
Don't worry. I'm just happy you got here. I'm really going to miss our time together.
Me too, Roger. By the way, I have some news.
What's that?
Well, remember when you asked if I could visit London a couple of days ago?
Yes. And at first, you said you couldn't come.
My boss told me I can have a few days off next month. So I can come to London after all.
That's amazing, Sarah. I'm so happy you're coming to London. Thank you for making the effort.
And I can't wait to see you there.
Okay, goodbye, Sarah. And thanks for everything.
Goodbye, Roger.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Where are you arriving from?
From New York.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Business. And I'm here for a conference.
How long are you staying in the UK?
A week.
Where are you staying?
In London, at the Pacific View Hotel.
Do you know anybody here?
Yes. A colleague and a friend named Roger.
Is this your first visit to the UK?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Here is your passport. Enjoy your stay in London.
Sarah, welcome to London.
Hi, Roger. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the flight?
Very long, 10 hours.
Oh, you must be really tired.
Yes. I couldn't sleep at all. The people next to me had a baby with them.
I'm going to take you right to the hotel. And you can rest.
That sounds perfect, Roger. Let's go.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.